Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video, same as my last couple of videos about pound index and pound pairs. So let's get started. This is the pound index chart that I've been showing, that this was a setup on the 19th, and what happened to this, it went all the way down. I just recorded this chart. So it came down, it went up, and it came down, gave me two setup to the downside. So pound was getting weaker, and all I had to do is short the pound pairs, which I like, mostly pound Aussie and pound yen. I like the pound cat too, but excuse me, I didn't trade that one. It's just too much. But let me show you the weekly chart as well, which was the key factor. And I made that chart here for my subscribers. 17th October, I think that was like Wednesday or Thursday last week, that this is my stand. This was my stand, that it's gonna be dropping from here, or maybe go up a little bit and hit the TL and then drop. That's a very good chance of dropping. Pound index dropping means pound gets weaker, and all pound pairs except euro pound, they all go down, right? So for this chart so far today, on the 25th, you see it came down very nicely to this level, 61.27. That was my target, from 65.68 down to 61.27. So we got there. Now doing that, what happened? Pound pairs went down. So what I did, let me show you what I did. Okay, this is the pound index 40-minute chart. So the first trade was on the 22nd. This is sell pound yen 20-minute, beautiful entry all the way down, right? That was like some around 100 pips something. It's also pound USD, very nice setup, and the trade I accidentally closed. I told you that, right? It wasn't there, but before while I was making the chart, I just closed it. So on the 22nd, these are the two pound pair short side, right? And then on the 23rd, I actually opened a couple of trades, which I carried into today, 24th. The first one was pound Aussie. The entry was, you can see, is on the 23rd, and I closed it on the 24th. But look at the big drop all the way down, right? Based on the pound index chart, and as well as I had this chart as well, pound Aussie. Very good short setup. Excuse my coughing. And also I opened on the 23rd. There was another one. Excuse me. This one, Euro Aussie, because of pound Aussie was dropping, Euro Aussie was dropping at the same area, almost the same time. I short both of them, and then look what happened, right? And also on the 24th, right, which today right now is like 25th, started, it's just early morning London session. So this is also on the 24th, right? This is late 24th entry, and look all the way down. This is pound yen on the 24th, on more than 150 pip, right? And a couple of other, like Euro Aussie, I just showed you. That was the one which don't have pound in it, but I did it because I shorted pound Aussie. Then I said Euro Aussie doing the same thing. So, and this is the only one that don't have anything. So like Aussie USD was a nice setup, small trade. So you see, mainly all of these trades that I have is like pound, and all because of that pound index chart, which I already made before. Before the beginning of the week. This is how you prepare, and you plan, and you analyze. Technical analysis is this is all about. That if you can catch the right direction of the currency, it doesn't matter what kind of news or fundies comes out. They all talk. They all come out. All the finance minister, FinMints, they all come out and they talk, and the wobbling is all there. But as long as you know which direction that one currency is going to go, and if you have a nice system to follow to make entries, this is what's going to happen. Okay, so I had this one figured out that, you know, okay, this is what's going to happen, and we still have a long way to go. Don't get me wrong, we're going to bounce from 61.27 just for a little retracement, and then probably continue to the downside again. Okay, but until then, I'll sit and wait. So you know, just based on that, and forget about the Aussie index, yen index, US index. You all have a lot of, you know, but the thing is that if one index or one currency is moving, all the others are usually, you know, sit down and watch. Okay, so pound was on the run for all this week, and obviously USD was getting strong, and but yen and Aussie, they didn't move much. But be ready, they're gonna move. Those indexes, they're gonna soon start moving, you know, for Aussie and yen, and then I'll be jumping on those pairs, and I'll be leaving the pound pairs. When yen start moving, I'll be trading all yen pairs. Or if Aussie dollar start moving, and I'm watching those indexes as well. They have a nice setup, but they haven't started move yet. So as soon as they start moving, I'll jump on those. So this is how powerful and you know, accurate it is to watch the indexes and make your plan, and then say, okay, if this currency is going down, so it's gonna get weaker, and I'm gonna do, you know, all I'm gonna do is go short in all the currency, all the pairs involving that currency. That's what I went short on pound yen, pound Aussie, pound USD. And if you go and take a look, pound CAD dropped, pound anything except euro pound probably went up, right? Because the pound is on the right hand side. So anywhere where the pound is on the left hand side, all those pair went down big time. Okay, now they're retracing. So this is how it is. So I just wanted to show you, and if you like what you see, just go on my website, subscribe, get the system, learn, get my analysis, all of the charts, all of these charts I give you with the bullets and the lines and the numbers and everything, with all the indexes and all the pairs. It's a lot of work that I did, and all you gotta do is just subscribe, and then when you get these templates, and then you can just apply the templates on your MT4, you will have it. And then you will learn, you know, step by step. When I do webinar and when I'm talking about these charts, weekly charts, you will have the same chart on your screen, so you will understand more. You know, and even after I finish the webinar, you will still have it, so you understand it, you know, and what to do, what not, and it's very helpful. Okay, so if you think it's very helpful, and if you're not doing very well in trading forex, then I, you know, invite you, come on my website, visit, look around, see what's happening, what am I doing, how many trades, how I did, what is the system is all about, and if you like, you know, join and then start trading profitably. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.